Hi everyone, it's me Roxanne, and I'm back with a new video featuring the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. As you can see, this is a brand new model of the Singer 9960. It's come to my attention that the older models which I own and the newer models have significant differences. So I really needed to get a new one to show you what the differences are. So stay tuned for this unboxing video. So here I have the box open. The first thing you'll notice is the instruction manual. It looks to be packaged very nicely as well, with polystyrene keeping everything nice and snug. The next item is your extension table. And then here are your value-added accessory package with the instructions. My machine years ago did not come with the instructions, but the newer ones do. Your walking foot, your foot control, and your power cord. I'm going to pull the packing polystyrofoam out. And there it is, brand new. Now what I noticed is that the outer hard cover came packaged in its own plastic. And the machine itself is now packaged in plastic as well. And here we are. The brand new Singer 9960. Here I am in front of the new machine, and I wanted you to see that the needle threader is held in place with a small piece of styrofoam, that the needle is in the down position, and it comes with the all-purpose foot A installed on the machine. There's also a small piece of cardboard between the free arm accessory table and the actual machine to keep it free from damage. If you were wondering where all those other accessories are located, they come packaged inside your free arm accessory table. There are all your feet and some extra needles, your screwdriver, a seam ripper. Looks like your bobbins are also inside there. And then also your buttonhole foot is in there, and there's even a special slot inside this table to hold your buttonhole foot. So there you have my first unboxing video. I do plan to do a video very soon comparing my old 2011 model with this brand new 2020 model. So as always, have a happy creative day. Bye now.